Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fruit salad. First, select a vibrant mix of fresh, ripe fruits like berries, melons, and citrus. Ensure they are firm and free of blemishes for the best taste. Next, thoroughly wash all your chosen fruits under cool, running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Finally, gather your essential tools: a sturdy cutting board, a sharp knife, and a large mixing bowl to prepare everything. Now that your fruits are clean, it's time to get cutting. Carefully slice larger items such as cantaloupe, honeydew, or pineapple into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This makes the salad easier to eat and ensures every spoonful is a perfect mix. Once everything is chopped, gently combine all the colorful fruits in your large mixing bowl. For an extra pop of flavor, consider adding a light dressing or a squeeze of fresh citrus juice. Hey everyone, if you're finding these fruit salad tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides. Quick recommendation: just like a good fruit salad, some things are worth investing in. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable and durable. Check the description below for the link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. To elevate your fruit salad, a simple dressing can make all the difference. A honey-lime dressing or a sprinkle of fresh mint can really brighten the flavors without overpowering the natural sweetness. After mixing, cover your bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your refreshing creation in a lovely bowl, perhaps garnished with a few extra mint leaves for a professional touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.